Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, new and old subscribers. Hello to you all. Subscribers, hello to you all. If you are a returning subscriber, you probably saw I already did a Christian Siriano makeup collection review, and literally I put that video up, and that collection was from Walgreens. I put that video up and I was scrolling through my Instagram, and all of a sudden I saw Christian Siriano for e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I was like, what? Another collection? Be still my heart. I couldn't handle it. I was so excited. I read that and it came out the 10th. So I immediately rushed to Target on the 10th. It wasn't available on Target yet. So I went on elfcosmetics.com. Luckily there was free shipping and it was already there. So I got my hands on the entire collection. There's only 4 pieces for you guys. I was kind of bummed about that. I thought there'd be a ton more. I thought there'd be like a whole range of shades of lipstick, but there's 1 lipstick, 1 lip oil, 1 eyeshadow palette, and 1 clutch. So they made it easy to shop. I just bought it all. It came you know, a few days, about a week later. It still isn't available in Target. I've checked multiple times. I checked yesterday, it still wasn't there. They said it's coming soon. So if you want to get your hands on this early, buy it online at elfcosmetics.com. Otherwise, be patient and it will be available on Target soon. But you guys, this is absolutely amazing. I paid $32 for the entire collection. You get free shipping from e.l.f. Cosmetics for orders over 30. So Christian Siriano, I'm gonna have to do it again. I'm gonna keep doing it as much as he's gonna put out. I'm gonna keep reviewing it. Stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look and see what I thought of the products. Stay tuned. So I've got my foundation on, my concealer, my brows are done, as you can tell. I've got some contour going. I've been really loving bronzer as a contour lately. The key to that is to not use a bronzer that is at all glittery, and you can really get that definition. I am using the Park Avenue Princess by Tarte. This is their clay matte waterproof bronzer, and again in Park Avenue Princess. And I used a blush by Flower Beauty, which is one of my favorites. So we are all set to kind of try this makeup out. I'm so excited. You don't even know. Came in this little box here. Pretty standard, nothing too fabulous, but e.l.f. Cosmetics is super cheap, so I wouldn't expect anything else. You are paying for the makeup, not necessarily the packaging here. So the first thing up is the this little bag. So, oh my gosh, isn't it so cute? I haven't even unwrapped this tassel. Ooh, I just love the theme of this with the green and then the pink, even the top of the zipper. I just love the inside is pink. This is just the cutest makeup bag. It's inspired by his spring collection. So I just love that they did that, and everything has a little label. e.l.f. by Christian Siriano. Next up is the e.l.f. Christian Siriano eye palette. This is the Bold Bouquet, it says. Like a bouquet of flowers, this palette is a mix of bold and subtle colors with different textures. Have fun experimenting and creating your own style. So I am just, I'm thrilled for that. I love how this feels. And it's got pink and it's shiny. It opens so beautifully. It's just like that. It's got a mirror on it. And you can see the colors there. I am just dying at all those different shades. And it comes with this brush, which is actually quite beautiful. Usually I just don't care for these brushes and I just throw them away. But this one I think I actually might experiment with. It's got a great base shades. We've got some fun colors here. I like the range of shades. You've got your browns and then you've got your fun pinks. So I cannot wait to try that. Next up is this Tinted Lip Oil. Polished pink. This is the perfect gloss for a fresh, polished look. Pair it with a dramatic eye or keep it soft and subtle. You can't go wrong. And this is what the packaging looked like. It's a big tube, you guys. It's amazing. I love that the detail goes all throughout. The shiny pink tube there at the top, and then you've got the flower pattern at the bottom. This guy is definitely just a subtle, like a baby pink. It feels really good, the lip oil, so you can kind of see there just a subtle tint to it there, just kind of glossy. I could imagine this is really good like layered over something or just on its own. It's just like a subtle pink, so I do really like that. All right, and the last one up in the collection is the matte lipstick in Electric Fuchsia. I love a bright lip, and this color adds instant drama to any look. It's bold yet wearable, just like my collections. So it has vitamin E to help nourish and condition. This slim diamond shaped applicator gives you flawless application in just one stroke. I like that. So this is the same tube here, a little bit thicker. You can see it's very, very pink. I just love this design. So beautiful. I love how they put the floral print all throughout the bottom here, and then you've got the shiny pink chrome topper. It is just beautiful. And this color is, I love the topper here. It's quite beautiful. I'll show you this shade here. I am absolutely in love with that shade. See how magnificent it goes on? I cannot wait to get this on my lips. I think this is a color I will be wearing all the time. And if you notice, the packaging is all like kind of shiny, and it's just like, this is absolutely beautiful. Let me run down the prices that I paid on this guy. My palette was $12. The cosmetic bag was $8. The lip oil was $6, and so was the matte lipstick. So both of these were $6. There's free shipping if you order over 30. So everything in the collection came to $32 for these 4 pieces, which is absolutely incredible. Not as cheap as his Walgreens collaboration, but I think the quality is better here. I cannot wait to dive in. Let's start putting on some eyeshadows. I already put foundation over my eyes, but I just use like a little shadow insurance just to make sure the shadows don't crease during the day, rub off, all that good stuff. So let's go in with a Morphe R37. I'm just gonna do a light wash of this pink just to create a nice base. Oh, very soft. Let's just see what that looks like. Oh yeah, that's very subtle. That's very nice. Just going all over the lid with that. This brush is perfect for that because it's nice, big, thick bristles just to go right over the lid. I'm gonna go in with the purple in the crease. And I'm gonna do the green on the bottom, I think I've decided. So this is the purple here in this very corner. You can see it there, dark, but I like it. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M506. This just really helps get precise in those creases. It's a little patchy. I have some fallout here, but I didn't quite tap out my brush there. To be expected. I mean, this is drugstore. Just really getting it, working it in the crease there. I can always take my, this is my Sigma Powder F10 brush. I'm gonna sweep that away before it kind of settles in. All right, I think we got that for the most part, so crisis averted. I'm gonna go in and just work this into the crease a little bit more. So I'm gonna use the M441 from Morphe just to blend it a little bit more. It does seem to be blending out quite well. It's just kind of giving a nice watercolor effect. I think the color kind of died down quite a bit there from the intensity, but that's okay. Really having to blend it though, so that is one. It has taken a minute to blend for sure. I'm working for this shadow right now. So definitely one minor disadvantage at the moment, but the colors are turning out very, very beautiful. I think I'm gonna go in and work a little bit of this purple. Oh my gosh, how pretty is that? That is this one over here. I'm tapping it out, just making sure I'm getting a lot of that excess out. And just working it over Ooh, I got a lot of fallout there as well. Usually I'm so good about that, but today, not so much. I really like this blended over that purple that we laid down. It's good to go a little bit deeper in the crease first just to get the definition going. Again, so you see what's happening here. I'm gonna swipe that away with my brush. So far that has worked pretty well to kind of get that off of there, so we are good. It's all right. I'm really loving that so far. I think the pinks and purples have blended together beautifully. I'm gonna do a little bit of this under the brow bone, and I might as well use this brush just to see how it works. Get some definition under there. Ooh, I like that. It's very nice. Brush is actually applying it pretty beautifully. Going in that inner corner there. I'm gonna bring it into the eye a little bit. There we go. There we go, perfect. And then I am gonna just take this shade here and I'm gonna put it right on the middle of the eye. Just to bring it all together. I want the ends to be a little bit smokier so that it all blends together. I'm just going to take that brush that had the pink on it and go over it again just to disperse a little bit more color. I really like that pinkish shade here. It's like a pink plum. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm picking up just a hair more. And then I think I'll pick up just a little bit of this electric blue. I'm kind of thinking on the bottom with the green. Ooh, I'm loving it. I might as well use my Christian Siriano brush because we're doing it, all Christian Siriano. So I'm gonna go blue on the outer corner and green on the inner corner. So first picking up the blue in this right in the middle here. I've never used a whole palette like this before, so kind of exciting of a challenge. Look at how pigmented that is. Wow. Off the brush a little bit, picking up the green now. Dabbing that on the inner corner. Awesome. Oh my gosh, you guys, I actually really like that. I've never done a look like this. I'm just gonna sweep it all across, just like so. How cool, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, this is my other little favorite trick, the Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer in the Nude. Just gonna put that in the inner corner here. Perfect. Awesome, just like so. Let's grab our little liner, Coastal Scents here, and let's go in with that deeper purple. I'm just gonna darken it. I'm gonna take some Fix Plus from MAC, and I'm gonna dab my brush in that, give it a nice spray, pick up a bit more product, and we're gonna use that deeper plum color as a liner. And we're just wedging that into the lash line. I don't think this look needs like a ton of liner, just because it is a little bit bolder. And I really want to draw a focus to the bright colors underneath the eye. Go. I think that looks so good. I might just draw smudge it out a little bit more, like a flat top like this, and just run a little bit more of the loose shadow just over the top, just to blend it out a little bit more. So, and we're all lined and defined. This palette, you guys, is absolutely everything. I love it. I used every single shade, and that never happens in an eye palette. I think these are so smart and so well put together. Some mascara. All right, there we go. Mascara is done. Last step up is the lipsticks. First, put on the lip oil in Polish Pink just to see how that looks. Goes on so sheer. It's just like a subtle hint of pink, which I really appreciate. I think it's good. I don't think it's like the most amazing thing I've ever used. The color is just very subtle if you want just something, if you don't wear a lot of lipstick. It's really nice for every day. But for me, I'm very excited about the Electric Fuchsia lipstick. Take this off and we're gonna put this on. So we're back with the bare lips. We took the lip oil off, and it's time for what I know is gonna be my favorite, the Electric Fuchsia. Oh my gosh. This is everything. See this right now? This color is absolutely everything. This is probably going to be my new favorite go-to lipstick. It already dried down. Nothing, you guys. Nothing. This is everything. It's already dried down. This might be my favorite thing. For $6, I have lipsticks that don't go on this well that I paid almost $24 for. So this might be my new favorite here. So this is the final look. Take my hair out so you can see. So this collection gets a giant thumbs up for me. If you can get your hands on anything, the Electric Fuchsia lipstick and the eyeshadow palette. If you also are a big fan of makeup bags, just having this in your purse is amazing. These are my 3 favorites. You need this in your life. Go get it. It should be in Target stores soon. But oh my gosh, Christian Siriano, you have never failed to disappoint. I absolutely adore you. Go get your hands on this collection. So if you liked this video, hit the like button below, subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos, and hit that little bell if you want to be notified when I post. It's usually every Thursday. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you back here next week. As always, be fabulous and utterly you. Bye.